Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Compaq device, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up timer of automatically disabling this device. Firstly, open main menu using this button. Then you need to scroll down using the minus button. So by pressing on the minus button, you will scroll down. So scroll down, find management here, click OK. Then scroll down again, find here sleep timer, click OK. And great. So you can set the current time. In my case, it's not this time, so I just need to switch it to 23 and 23. Yes, okay. And just set the sleep time. In my case, it might be 3:00. Okay. And you can set enabling time. For example, at 6 o'clock, monitor will be automatically enabled. But I don't want to do it now. And just click OK on the timer. Click on the minus button to set on, and click OK. Click save and resume. Click exit, and great. We have set up the timer of this device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.